Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change the engine oil in your Toyota RAV4. First, let's prepare. You'll need a drain pan, a 14mm wrench or socket, and a 64mm oil filter wrench. Also, have about 5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter ready. Always prioritize safety by using ramps or jack stands to securely lift your vehicle on a flat surface. Don't forget to remove the oil filler cap to aid in draining. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, it's time to drain the old oil. Place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your 14mm wrench, carefully loosen the drain plug. Be cautious, as the oil will likely be warm. Let all the old oil drain out completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the drain plug and install a new crush washer before reinstalling it, tightening to about 30 foot-pounds. With the old oil drained, let's move to the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, often found near the front of the engine, and place your drain pan below it. Use your 64mm oil filter wrench to carefully unscrew the housing. Remove the old filter element and replace the 2 O-rings on the housing with new ones, lubricating them with a little fresh oil. Insert the new filter element, then hand tighten the housing back into place. Now for the fresh oil. Using a funnel, carefully pour about 4 8/10 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic engine oil into the filler neck. Once filled, securely replace the oil filler cap and safely lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the oil and fill the new filter. Finally, turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick, and reset your maintenance reminder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.